Today, we have gathered here to celebrate a day that reminds us of our identity, our responsibilities, and our unity. The 26th of January, our Republic Day, a day that fills every Indian heart with pride. With freedom in our minds, faith in our words, and pride in our soul, let us salute our mother nation on this Republic Day. On this historic day in the year 1950, India did not just adopt a constitution, it adopted a promise of justice, equality, liberty, and fraternity. The powerful words, "We, the citizens of India," echoes the sacrifices of our brave soldiers who laid down their lives so that we could live with dignity. From the truth and non-violence of Mahatma Gandhi to the visionary leadership of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, India's democracy was not built upon weapons but on moral values. As Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar rightly said, democracy is not merely a form of government, it is a way of life. India is a country rich in diversity, diverse languages, cultures, religions and traditions. Yet, we all stand together, united as one single nation. Unity is the backbone of our democracy. As Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, wisely said, every Indian should now forget that he is a Brahmin, a Sikh, a Rajput or a Jat, but should remember that he is an Indian. In today's fast-changing world, India is progressing rapidly towards the field of science, education, defense and space exploration. However, true development lies not only in economic growth, but also in its compassion, moral values, and integrity. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam beautifully said, if a country needs to be corruption-free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel there are three societal members who can make a difference. Our Constitution grants us fundamental rights, right to equality, freedom and justice, but it also grants us with fundamental duties. Fundamental rights gives us freedom, but fundamental duties give that freedom a particular meaning. Let us remember the particular slogan that ignites patriotism in every heart. Satyameva Jayate, truth alone triumphs. May all the citizens of India respect the Constitution, protect unity and serve the nation wholeheartedly. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, ma'am, for your delightful performance.